How to scan barcode with Amazon app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon app on your device and make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Then, at the top, you'll find search bar. In the search bar on the right side, you'll find camera-like icon. Click on camera-like icon at the top right corner of your screen in the search bar, which will open this kind of page. At the bottom, click on barcode. After that, you can simply scan the barcode and you will get the information of barcode in the Amazon app. This will only be valid if the barcode is from the Amazon. And this is how to scan barcode with Amazon app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.